Where are we going? Rooftop tent, baby. Park on the side of the road. We're good to go for the night. Yeah, yeah.
See ya. This tent is pretty cool.
It's 7 a.m. Time to go. Get ready this morning. Brush my teeth, got my little mirror, got my brush, my toiletries, money.
Banana.
Good morning, team.
We got a lot of cheese.
Kate, that's what's fucking me up. Cheese in my party kit. And then you got a fucking Android? I think you missed the point.
So we're here to get the canoes for the day trip. But the pain is that we have to get rid of the tent. So that's kind of a bummer.
And then you got 2 double blades, and the double blades are...
All right, so here's the deal. This is a 2-day canoeing trip. We picked up the canoes. Now we're at a campsite where we're gonna sleep tonight. So we're gonna drop off our campsite gear at the campsite, and then we'll continue driving up the road where we're gonna put in the canoes. So hopefully that kind of made sense. Wilma! All right, and now we're at our put-in. So off the main highway, this is your exit. So that says Colorado Canyon River Access. And that's where we're gonna drop off the boats. So we're kind of in a pickle because we don't know where our friends are at. And, huh?
Because I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
I don't want to unload all this shit.
And like, there's no service here, so we can't like call them.
We thought you guys were going to the state park for the permits.
Oh, you went to the visitor center?
Yeah, that's where we get the permits from.
Oh, cool. Sweet.
We found our friends. We're good to go. All right, so we're at the put-in, and now we're just waiting for William and Meg to drop off their car at the takeout. One of the cars at the takeout, and then they'll be back here with one car at the put-in. So that's gonna take another hour. So now we're just kind of chilling.
I feel like we should do like a team high five or something.
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
Rio
Grande! All right, let's do this. ¿Qué pasó? Sí.
Most action I've had in months. Wow. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the Rio Grande.
Rio Grande.
Es la bonita día en la Rio Grande.
All right, take off for day 1. Check out this bathroom. This is like the 5-star experience. Look at that. Hit the can right there. Ooh, opa.
And this guy whips up in anything.
I mean, just like I had oat ice cream, and I was like,
Use this. Wash another bowl of that.
This is Sierra.
no, it's not.
Maybe it's one of the chickens.
Good morning, love bug. Beautiful day in paradise. Oh. Oh.
And lit himself on fire. Do you not remember that? Like, nobody likes it start wanking, so we're good. I'm fine if I was out here all the night, so.
There are people that do it.
And it was pouring down rain. And it wasn't snowing on the mountain. No, no.
River Day 2. Is gonna look like. There's a resort right there behind you, and then there's a red cone.